you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have, what do we have, Vienna? We have the BarkBox. Do you want to see what's inside of her November's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the November BarkBox. She's feeling a little bit better, enough to where I'm okay with giving her the toys and letting her play on her own for a little bit. I'm not trying to make her overly exert herself. She does still have a little bit of the things going on her chest right now. She is still licking her arm, and yeah, you know. And so I have to keep putting her shirt on her, which she hates. But she still has some bumps right here because she keeps scratching, and it's at a point where she can just keep licking it, and she'll lick it like all night, and I'll hear it and I'm like, yo, stop. So she's not allowing it to fully heal because she keeps messing with it. So I'm having to keep a shirt on her, but I just did buy something that hopefully will help with skin irritation and stuff like that. But so far her back and everything is so much better. She's walking so much better. She's starting to play and get back to her normal little spunky self. So that is amazing. So let's go ahead and get into her box. Thank you guys so much for everybody who's reached out, asked how she has been doing and checking on her and all of that stuff. I greatly do appreciate it. She would too if she understood, but I greatly appreciate it because she's like my kid. Like, this is all I've got. This is all I got, huh? This is all I got, huh? Yeah. Do you want to see what's in your box? Do you want to see what's in your box? Okay, so let's see what's in the November box, you guys. Once I open it up, it says Thanksgiving, and that is a very, very cute. I love their themes. They go all out with their themes, and it's just so cute. So this is what it looks like when you open her up, and it looks like it has a little, looks like they're doing like a Thanksgiving Day parade with all these little dogs and everything on there. That is just so cute. And then that is what is inside. Do you see what's in there? Is that your toys? Yeah. So let me go ahead and open this up. We'll see what's in here, and then I'll let her play with them. So here's the first toy. What in the world is this? It says Dunkin' Stuffed Turkey. Oh, okay. So it was stuck inside. So here's, it has a squeaker. What is this, a turducken? It says Dunkin' Stuffed Turkey. There's like another bird in here. This is like a turkey with a chicken inside. I don't know, but, and it has all the crinkle, which she loves the crinkle, but that's just, this is really weird where there's like a bird inside of a bird. But there is a squeaker. Do you hear that? Then the next one in here is, it looks like it's all jellied cranberry sauce. So it's supposed to be like cranberry sauce. This one squeaks. How cute. Wait, you can't take this one from me. And then it looks like the top opens so you can see inside. It looks like a jar. And then it even has like instructions like on the back, like, hey, you're on the table, baby. You can't go nowhere. Hold on. You gotta wait, baby. You gotta wait. So it says serving size 1 can, custom squeakers 1, crinkle 10 grams, total fluff 0 grams, vitamin K9 50%. Can I help you? Good thing I'm done reading. Ow. Get your hand off of me. Good thing I'm done reading, but it opens up like that, like it's a little can, and then it has the jar inside. That is so cute. Hold on, let me cut the tag off. Hold on, child. Hold on, brown child. Hold on, baby. Hi. Are you my baby? Behind the squeaks. If your dog cracks open the crinkle can, keep playtime going with the cranberry sauce shaped squeaker. Huh. So it's made for, it's like 2 toys in 1. So then for the treat this month, this is pork stick. It's right there. She's trying to roll this off the table. Hold on. Because I don't want her to try to roll off with it. Stop. Hold on. Let me show you your treats. So then there's 2 treats in here. There's triple stuffed treats, pork, lamb, and carrots. Alrighty then. And they look like that. So there's that. I really do love their treats, not for myself because I don't try them, but they always smell like, she has a cranberry one and it smells just like cranberry. There's one peanut butter, smells like peanut butter. Like everything smells like what it says, and she loves these treats. So this is triple stuffed treats, lamb, cranberries, and collard greens. Alrighty, girl, you get some collard greens. And these are bigger shaped ones in there. And then there's that. So there's the 2 treats, the 1 big treat, and then the 2 toys. It looks like the different toys for this month. How cute. So here's the different toy variations for this month, and they're all like Thanksgiving themed, like pretty much everything that you will have around Thanksgiving. That is so cute. There's Brussels sprouts, there's deviled eggs, there's gravy, mashed potatoes, there's the turkey goal because of football, there's apple pie, there's big honkin' pigs in a blanket, and then a casserole, like with all of these. Wow, that's really cool. I love their boxes. I love their themes. I love how they curate their boxes and how it's a new theme. And she doesn't chew through these toys. Like, these toys are really good for her. They're hardy. I started out with the super chewer box because she's a super chewer, but they were too super chewery. They were too hard of toys for her. So I dropped down to the regular BarkBox, and she's loving this one. So if you would like to know, hold on. If you would like to know about the BarkBox, there's a theme collection every single month, and it's $29 if you do month to month. If you do 6 months, it brings it down to $25 a month. That's what I did, was 6 months, because I wasn't sure how this was going to be. Then if you do 12 months, it brings it down to $22 a month. And then if your fur baby is not 100% happy with their BarkBox, they will work with you to make it right. And I know there was times where, like, when I was trying to do the other one and I was trying to figure it out, they worked with me as far as trying to change the toy quantity or to change the type of toys for her and the treat for her. So their customer service is spot on. I have no complaints whatsoever with their customer service. The Super Chewer box is $39 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $34 a month. If you do 12 months, it brings it down to $29 a month. And if any toy is destroyed from that one, they will send you a new toy 100%. No questions asked. They'll probably want to see it to make sure. But if a toy is actually damaged and chewed up from that one, they'll send you a new one because they stand by their super chew toys like there's no tomorrow. So this is really cute. I guess it's a little turkey with the chicken inside. I'm going to call that a chicken inside because it has red, like a little gobble gobble thing going on. So here's this toy. I'm going to go ahead and put her down so she can play with the toys then and have some fun. Say hi. Say hi. You gotta say hi. No, you can say hi. Or you little baby, stop. Hey. Hey, she wants to play. You don't know what you want to do, huh? You don't know what you want to do, huh? She's like, fine, you're not going to let me go? Then I'm going to sit here. Oh, jeez. crawl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in the November BarkBox. This is extremely cute. She's having a blast. She's happy, so now I'm happy. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so glad I was able to have her on this video with me because she's feeling so much better. And again, thank you so much to everybody who's reached out, asked about her. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. She's like I said, she's like my child. So she means so much to me. So that meant so much to me that you guys were doing that. So thank you so much. She's definitely better and I can't even be any more happier that she's doing better. So thank you guys so much. Again, this is everything that we got in this month's box. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this theme? Do you get this box? Are you on the fence with this box? Do you want to get this box? Let me know down below. I do have a link down below as well that will take you to their site if you want to check them out. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.